Fighter. Okay. It's an aircraft. I like this one. Like this one. So, did you meet any difficult when you were doing the fighter?
This one.
The rubber bands?
No. This green item. As you see, it's
Yeah, the yellow one.
this one. It skip out, but when I do it, it's turned into it, and I will.
It's hard to fix it, right?
Yes, and I destroyed the toy and made it again.
Okay.
And this yellow rubber band, as you can see, do you have a rubber band? No. Like this one, this black one. Maybe the red one is more balancing, and the yellow one, but the black one it's the same size, and it will and it blows. That's long.
Yeah.
This long. So it's very long.
Maybe you can use this one to show the example to us.
This one is much bigger than it, but we can also show the example for you. And as we can see, this is the last time we hold it. I will hold it at here, a little bit smaller. Okay, and Daddy hold this rubber.
Yeah, basically we need two persons to do
finish
this because it's hard to fix them on the track.
And Daddy hold this one, and I turn. Daddy first, I put down the rubber band onto the
into the track.
Into the track. Then
Yeah.
I told Daddy to hold on this, and I turn.
You hold it to another side.
I hold to another side, and I first tied up the another side. Then I let Daddy don't move, so I can tie that another side.
Yeah, fixed another side. Okay, so basically the fighter looks like this. This is the rear, the front.
And one more
the front
difficult.
side of the fighter.
One more difficult. The yellow hat.
Yellow bean.
Yellow bean. We don't know how to call it, so
We call it the yellow beans.
yellow beans. Daddy called it yellow beans.
Yeah.
I called it yellow head.
Okay, yellow head. They are not very. They're not very. Yeah, they're not very tight. Yeah, loose.
And it bends to here. It bends to here.
Oh yeah, it went to the floor.
And it's roll here. Roll into our bed.
Okay, roll into our bathroom. Yeah. Okay. So it's not very fastened. It's not very tight fastened. It's somewhat loosened. Okay. But finally, we made the fighter. It's a program. It's very easy. Can you please introduce the program to everyone?
The first one is start, and the power is 8. And
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
To move.
And
Wait.
Time is 3, and
Counterclockwise for another 3 seconds.
3 seconds. And the second program is
The first program is to test what? To test the movement of the wings. Basically, the wings can move. Yeah, the wings can move.
we test it.
We test it.
Not like the little glasses we made. I made it.
The little
but
robot
it
with
couldn't
glasses.
Move. Daddy made it. 1 feet can move.
1 foot can move.
But another feet cannot move. Maybe you can watch the video we take for the little glasses.
Yeah, the little robot with glasses. So the program is not difficult. It's basically it will lead the wings to move up and down, right?
Yeah.
So, can you please run the program, class?
Okay, I'll run the first one. And I want to tell you is, maybe we will follow the first program at first.
Maybe you can sit standing over there, so everybody can see how it moves.
I can do that someday.
Yeah. As you can see, it is moving now. Okay. So there's a loop, so it will move non-stop. Then because we have the distance sensor, right? So the second program looks like this.
And the first program, if you turn the first clockwise to counterclockwise,
Counterclockwise to clockwise.
Counterclockwise to clockwise, it will move
Conversely direction. The opposite direction. And it is moving like this.
And
the second program is
looks like this.
But we need to, because we added the distance sensor on the toy. Could you please show us where the distance sensor is?
Here we go.
Yeah, as you can see,
here.
This is a distance sensor. Okay, so the logic is what? You can show it on the table. Show it on the table.
No, here first. Now you can see I hold it up high, so it's
the distance sensor is now the value is 10.
If I put my hand here,
the value becomes 0. Yeah, the distance sensor, the value becomes 0 now. So basically the wings will move according to the value of the distance sensor, according to the distance between the aircraft and the table. Okay, the obstacle,
so
the table.
Will show the second program.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll show the second program to everyone. Maybe can we, yeah, give it a try. Show us, please. Stop what? Okay. Okay, you do it.
As we can see it.
You need to put it to a high place.
To a higher place, then it will move.
Yeah. It will move for a while, and then if it is close to an obstacle, for example the table, it will continue to move, then stop. No. Hold on. Let me check the program. Okay.
So when we
did everybody say the value of the distance sensor? So when it leaves the obstacle, when it leaves the desk, the value becomes 9 or 10 or at least 8. When it gets closer, the value becomes smaller. It becomes 0, as you can see. So if we run the program, because of the program, could you please introduce the program to everyone again? Yeah, the second program.
The first one, the motor.
The distance sensor, when it gets close, to the table, it will start, the wings will start to move because the distance sensor, the value becomes 0, right? You see this one? This means what? This means when it leaves the obstacle or when it leaves the table.
And the second...
Leave means the value becomes big, as you can see. It is leaving. Hey, look at the value. The value becomes what? When the distance gets longer, the value becomes 9, from 0 to 9 now. When it gets close to the obstacle, the value becomes 0, right? So if go back to the program, what does the first one mean? The first step means what?
The distances when it gets closer to the
when it gets further
from the table,
yeah.
then the wings start to move.
Yeah.
And
counterclockwise.
And
for 1 second.
For 1 second.
The third step is 1 second, right? 1, the first step, it detects the distance. The second step, use the speed aid to move. The third step, counterclockwise direction. The fourth step, move 1 second. The fifth step, what?
The fifth step.
When it detects the obstacle is closing.
And the wings start to move again.
Clockwise, sorry. For another 1 second. Then loop. Repeat the above steps. Okay? Understand? Okay? Can you please show us again? First, play it. Play the program. It gets close. It gets further, so it moves 1 second. It gets closer. It moves another second. Hold on. Let's see the clockwise and the counterclockwise, but it's hard to identify. Yeah, it's hard to identify. Okay, so basically, the program is very easy. The fighter, the aircraft, this is what we made.
But it's heavy.
It's somewhat heavy, but it's not a big issue, right? Anyway, it's just a toy. It's a small toy. Okay, next time we'll make a new toy for you, for us.
Maybe walking robot.
Maybe walking robot. I'm not sure. What is the next one?
Maybe I can check.
Okay.
Wait me for a second.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
A parrot.
She is checking the documents, the file name.
Maybe we can do the
racing car? Racing car, okay. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Have a good weekend.
Okay, have a good weekend.
What day? Here.
Peace, love. Bye-bye.